Is it recording? Yes, it is. Hello. This is Sal with Cucina Napolitano. Alive and well, and I need to cook. I miss cooking. Spring, it's April, and I got this itch. I have to cook, and it's just been a while. Before, when I cooked because of COVID and feeding someone, family members. Now, I just miss it. So, I'm gonna make pasta con zucca. Zucca is either squash, acorn squash, or could be zucchini. So here we go. Whoa. Hey. So, I do not own the rights to this music. Here we go.
It doesn't matter if
That's
it's
Spotify. Spotify knows when I'm on the video.
If it's trending,
so the first thing we're gonna do.
Listen to all your favorite tracks in one place right now on the top.
Light the flame.
On Spotify.
Medium heat. I like this. Except you can't see my head, which is alright. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up the pan. The pan's got to be hot.
You're listening to Fight Feeling by Broadway.
And then we're going to put some olive oil. I add bacon. My dad would kill me if he knew I was using bacon instead of pancetta. Because you need the fat. The fat is what makes it. Need some garlic. I prepped. I'm using squash. And I tell you, you know what? I should have done it the way my dad taught me. Just take the whole squash and just boil it. After you boil it for like a minute or two, afterwards, then you can just peel off the skin. I did it this way. It's been a while. It just took longer. You need some tomatoes. Here are the tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes preferably, but that's all I got. You need some water and some wonderful pasta. Now I'm using this pasta, which was sent to me by my cousin in Italy. With some parsley and salt. Alright, the pan is nice and hot. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil. And I'm throwing in the bacon now. Let's cook this for about 5 minutes. Listen to the music. Isn't it wonderful? We have this year with I have parsley coming out already. I have the mint, onions, scallions. I've prepped my garden. I'm running out of oregano. Gotta have the oregano for the pizza. So let this cook for about 5 minutes and I'll be back. Sal, Cucina Napolitano. It's been a while. See us Napolitans. All Italians too. We don't throw anything away. This pasta's from last year. So the bacon, you want it to be crispy. Stick into the pan. We need to alright. I need to stir it a little bit. Now I'm going to add some of the garlic. 5 cloves. And me, I like doing everything by hand. So here's the secret ingredient. I'll lower the heat a little bit. Red crushed pepper. You just smash it in your hand. You can see what I'm doing here, and I really like that. I appreciate that. Oh, there's that smell. That wonderful smell. We got garlic in here. We got bacon. Red crushed pepper. Remember, don't tell my dad. He'll kill me. He knows that I used bacon instead of pancetta. Oh, what a smell. Jeez. Alright, we got it. Lower the heat. I lowered the heat. I'm going to put this away because you know me. I like to put a lot of red crushed pepper in there. And you could always add, but you can't take away. And I don't want to add too much and then not be able to take it away. So we'll let this simmer for a little while. Oh, it smells like breakfast. Pancetta. Un breakfast americano, capito? Ole! Alright, this will take a couple minutes. Be right back. Let's keep seeing if this is working or not. Okay, so now we're going to throw in some tomatoes. I got about 5 tomatoes here. Cherry tomatoes are preferable, but I did not have any, so I just used these. Stir, G to G. You know, my team did not win today, Napoli. But it's okay. They're going to win on Thursday. I guarantee you, just that I have to work. However, they're still on the top of the division, Napoli. And you're going to win the Scudetto. Capito? Alright, we're getting some water here, which is good. Because the bacon was burning. We don't want to burn the bacon. See if I can show you what I'm doing here. See that? Una cosa bella. Alright, we're gonna raise the heat now. Pasta con zucca. Pasta con zucca. Alright, so here we go. I do it all by hand. That's right. I do it the hard way. So I'm going to cut all these squash, Zucca, into the pot. And this is a good time. See? This is how I do. For the water from the tomatoes to evaporate. Oh, this is how my mom did it, you know. She stayed over the stove, slaved, and then just cut it in there. So you might think that this takes forever, but it actually doesn't. And we're talking about 3 pounds. But when you're doing something that reminds you of someone you loved growing up, it gives you energy. And this is the energy I have right now by doing it this way. And not just, I could have just cut it. But this is funner while I'm listening to the music. It gives me energy. And if you have a passion to do something, and I do, this is what you do. And I'm very happy that I did this. This is a great soup. It could be a soup. It could be also just a main dish. I like making it a main dish. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. I don't want you to keep watching me do this. I'll be back in about 2 minutes. It only took me 2 minutes to do that. So now, Gita, stir. See, now the water from the tomatoes is evaporated. And I squished the garlic. And we get the juices from the garlic. Very anal with that. So this is what it's going to look like. Now you're going to get some water from the Zucca, the squash, but this is where we add some water. So right now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Raise the heat a little bit, bring it to a boil, and this is where the squash starts cooking. So this is going to be about 15 minutes. We'll be right back. I'm cleaning. By the way, you want to put the lid on there. I forgot about the salt. Add a little bit of salt. This will break down, I use sea salt. That'll break down the Zucca and the tomatoes. Keep it for later. You might need it. Okay, it came to a boil. Now you're going to lower the heat. Medium heat. Don't put the lid on completely. Just put it a little bit because now we're going to get the evaporation. I'm going to go clean my fridge. Springtime cleaning. It's been 5 minutes. I'm almost done cleaning. Now you want to take off the cover. I'm going to show you what it looks like. See, the water from the Zucca has come out. Uh-oh. Squash is starting to break apart. Lower the heat a little bit. Back to cleaning. Okay, boom. So it's been 10 minutes. Now we're going to put in the pasta. And this is how I do. And there's just enough water for the pasta. Right into the pot. A little bit of olive oil. So the pasta doesn't stick. More salt. Stir. We're going to lower the heat. And this should be ready in about 5-10 minutes. Oh, look at that. The squash is doing its thing. Wonderful. perfect with the water, too. Not too much water, just a little. It's gonna the pasta's gonna soak up the zuppa. All right, fridge is clean. You want to see a clean fridge, or do you want to see the pasta? It's not ready yet. Another 5 minutes. Still a little water in there. I want to show you. Being raised Italian. Look at that. While cooking. Forza Napoli. Alright, we're right there at the end. Now we're going to throw in the parsley. Yes. From the garden. Look at that. Right into the pot. Doesn't have to be perfectly cut or anything like that. Always put parsley at the end. Anyone need parsley? I got a ton of parsley. It's half the grass. And this is a healthy dish for you too. Very little on the carbs. For those who watch the carbs. Stir it in. This is done. So we don't want it too dry. And now we're going to serve it. We're going to plate it. Turn off the heat. Be right back. All right, here we go. Hey, here I am, Sal, Cucina Napolitano. How does this thing work? Oh, okay. Hey, now you can see me plate it. Nice and hot. Look at it. This is the way, depending on how you like it. I like it a little soupy. Someone's going to be real happy with this. I'm going to save some for myself. Pasta con zucca. Only thing we're missing? While it's steaming, some cheese. You could use pecorino, parmigiano, whatever you want. Pasta con zucca. Been a while. Sorry. So, please subscribe. I don't know if I'm back or not, but I know I'm going to have that itch for cooking again. So, Pasta con Zucca. Please subscribe if you can. And, buona domenica. Ciao.